Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a link for photos or images or even videos, and you can share this link with anyone you want, and they will be even able to download these images which you share, and you can share these images by using just a link. To achieve this we go to imgur.com, and here you can upload images. You don't need even to create account. Here if you are in Imgur, here you can see this new post. Just click on new post and here you will see this link, choose photo or video. So let's click on this link. I will select this image, click on open, and here at the top you need to also give a title for this image. Here I will write idea lamp, and this is pretty much it. You can also share this to Imgur community if you want. I'm not going to share this to Imgur community, but all you need is now to click on this second button, which is grab link, because this image already have been saved, and you can use this link or share this link. Here copy link. This is now linked to this image, and you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, or currently it is X or Reddit. And now if you would want to share this image, I will open now a new incognito window. I will paste this link. This is how other people will see this image, and they will be redirected to Imgur website and they will be able to see this image. So you can share this link with everyone who you would want to share this image with, and they will be also able to download this image. As you can see here, if you hover over this image, you see these three dots. Just click on them and click on download, and this image will be also, you are able to download it to your computer. So yes guys, this is how you can create a link to image, photo or video and share this link to anyone you want. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.